Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do our holiday cheer right at the beginning. And today we're doing Jessica's Reborns, and that's with a K. Thank you, Jessica, for being such a good subscriber and always leaving a like, watching my videos, and making a comment. And what I'm asking you to do, and I am overwhelmed at how well you've been, how well this is going, is go to Jessica's channel, subscribe, leave a like on the last video she has up, and leave a comment, and then add another comment that says in it somewhere, holiday cheer. And all of her comments, give it a little check with a like, and that will boost her up in the algorithm. I have a haul today, and I'll try to do it quickly. I do have to tell you about this one. This box came, look how thick, look how big. I mean, that's a good sized box, and I thought, it's in my name. I did not recognize the where it came from at all, and it has all this in here. And so I opened it thinking, you know, who's this from and what is it? And I didn't order anything. Well, I did. Look how they sent this. I mean, I appreciate a good wrapping, but this was really overkill. God love them.
Says Marna, the queen of overwrapping.
Well, I tape the crap out of stuff because I don't want the post office tearing it.
I know, I'm just teasing.
But I don't send a 2-foot box with. So anyway, this real quick is a dress I bought. It was an auction on eBay. And yes, I have this dress, and I have one very similar to it, Medieval Mood. But it was a Kenner. Where's the tag? It is a Kenner, and I wanted it, and I'm trying to build my Kenner collection, so I bought that. But I don't know. What do you think about all this wrapping? I think it could have. I mean, this. Why do you need bubble wrap for fabric? Anyway, bless her heart. I know she's doing the right thing. All right, let's see what else we got. Most of this is from AliExpress. This is so skinny, I have no idea what it is. And, you know, quite honestly, and I've heard other people say it, it takes so long for AliExpress stuff to get here, you forget what you ordered. Because usually, you order again. Come on. It's true. We all do it. Oh, for a minute, I thought I got ripped off. Oh, okay. These are the tees. What are these called, Darren? What?
I have no idea what their official name is. We just call them the T's, but they go in the control the clicking in the mechanism
Right.
for the Blythe doll eyes. For
the mechanism of the eyes, and we keep extra in case they break or somebody needs one or whatever. No, well, you know, I'm gonna throw it all down there because I don't want to keep you too long. Let's see what else I did get. I'm expecting some items. I hope this isn't one, because that's not enough. Let's see. Yeah, it is, and that's not as many as it said. It said 100. All right, that I have to deal with. And let's see what this one is. Those are for gifts. That's why I'm not showing it out and out. I've got something coming up that I'm doing gifts with. These are those bags that you can hardly find the back to, but they are really nice for packing skirts. And I am currently packing a lot of skirts. Okay, something is wrong here because these are not correct. I'm going to save. Oh, now that one might be. I'll look at that later. Okay, and then I ordered some nail art for eye art on the Blythe dolls with the customs. I am not artsy. I like to sew, I like to craft, but as far as drawing, you wouldn't know what it was. I couldn't do an ink blot. Okay, let's see what I did get. Oh, this is for the upcoming, we're gonna do, I am setting up a collab of purple hair dolls becoming two things, two outfits, an Easter Bunny outfit and a Playboy Bunny outfit. So I thought that'd be cute for my little girl's eyes. This might be for next year's 2024 BlytheCon. This is the theme. That's her advertisement. And some Irish girls I'm going to be doing. I thought those were cute. I bought them. They were inexpensive. I like them. All right, let's get to the main attraction. I just want to make sure I have the right containers over there, because I know that one is not right. All right, I ordered, surprise! I ordered Blythe dolls from AliExpress. I know, it's a surprise, but let's take a look. Well, these are different boxes. I like them. Oh, I like these a lot. Let's see how we're going to open these. All right, let's try this. It looks like a really nice box. Speaking of a really nice box, a funny thing happened. I save boxes, especially nice boxes. I save my Blythe boxes because you never know if you're going to have to move your dolls or move or whatever, sell them. You don't know. So I save those because they're perfect. Oh, this is a nice box. This is a very nice box. So I save especially nice boxes. I had this little box, and it was like this, only it was, you know, rectangular and about this tall. And I kicked it around here on the counter for, forever. I threw it away. I thought, Marna, that's it. You can't, the legs are bent. Let's hope they're okay. So I threw it away, and 2 days later, Tracy at Eclective Wondering announced that she's going to do a collab, and I want to do it with her, where you take a box and decorate it for a doll, and that little box would have been perfect. Oh, what a pretty girl. Oh, speaking of purple hair girls. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Could she be for that collab? Maybe, maybe not. There are two outfits. All right, let's check her eyes. Here we go. Yep, the iMac works well. Boy, that's a pretty face. I'm going to pull this off and show you. Look how pretty that face is. It is shiny, and I like matted, and I'll probably do a face up, but that's a pretty doll. All right, we'll put her aside and open the other nice box that I will certainly be saving. Isn't that funny, Tracy? Like 2 days later, Tracy brought up that. I had a good laugh about it. I love Blythe dolls. I love all Blythe dolls. I love all sizes of Blythe dolls. And when they are on sale, I am a sucker. I am filming this Thanksgiving Day, and I might have gotten up for a sale. Black Friday sale. That was the box, not the doll. Black Friday sale on AliExpress. Okay, she too has hands. I have looked at this doll. I can't tell you how long. She's been in my cart for a very long time. And I even had a name for her. So when the sale came up, I thought, okay, this is it. I'm getting Seaweed. Her name is Seaweed. I love this doll's hair. Oh, it's greasy though. It's gonna need the powder treatment and a good wash, but oh, is that gorgeous? It's just kind of a mint, kind of a, I don't know, it just made me think of seaweed, and yes, I know seaweed's darker than that, but.
Like sea foam.
Well, I like weed. Oh, her.
I'm saying the color, but yeah.
She has a real nice, sea foam color. She too has a beautiful face. Look at that, same face mold. Oh, I love these dolls. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel.